Welcome back to Amar's Cards, and I just opened the last eBay envelope that came, and I believe this is the one that I've been waiting for. Yes, it is. Kenny Pickett, 176 out of 199, numbered Illusions, King of Cards. Can't get better than that one. Well, actually you can. There's some that have lower numbers, but I'm still happy with it. 176 out of 199. Beautiful card. These new Panini Illusions are awesome. Alright. Thanks for checking out my haul, and I'll redisplay everything in one touches. Check out the next video.